Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. It's Sunday, so look at him right now. So basically, I opened this office window, a little bit of gap here, and then he takes his head out and you can see the outside. And you can see our deck from here. Right, Marvin? Do you like this place, baby? So nice and pretty outside. It's sunny, but it's super cold outside. And yeah, I'm gonna make my bed. Mayang is freshening up. I'm gonna make my bed. We're gonna have some tea, take Mara for a walk, and start our day. Alright, now that bed is made, let's go down. I always have so much of stuff in my hand to carry. 2 bottles of water and then 1 hot water bag because I love taking hot water bag and sleeping in winters when it's so freaking cold. And we don't use electric blanket, so I always take this, and Mayang doesn't really need it. So. And now, time to give food to Marvel, so he can start his day. We can start our day. So basically, we have been shopping this whole weekend for the party that we are throwing on 12th for our it's basically our anniversary party. So 13th is our 5th year anniversary, so we are super excited about that. I was telling Mayang, see how long we have lasted together. So 13th is our anniversary, 5-year anniversary. So and it's a Sunday, that's why we are throwing the party on Saturday. So everybody can have fun, get late night, don't have to worry about next day. So yeah, we already planned out the whole menu and everything. So we were shopping for that, and we have like 3-4 more things that we need to buy that we're gonna go today and get it, and we'll be done. And super excited because next week Tuesday is we're doing something special that I will vlog and I will show it to you, but I'm not gonna tell you right now. And Marvel is sitting right there behind me, watching like straight into my eyes. Then give me his breakfast, like his breakfast time. So there you go, boy. You're a big boy. Alright, so I'm done taking bath. I'm ready to go out, and we'll be meeting Nitish and Ashley in a barn park. They're going there for fishing. So I'm quickly making a real quick, I won't say lunch, it's gonna be brunch, but it's already 12. I'm gonna make scrambled eggs, cheesy scrambled eggs with some toast, and we're gonna eat that and leave. So I am just prepping for that. I'm gonna need some real simple ingredients like onion, tomato, green chili, cilantro, egg, and cheddar cheese. And yes, that's Marvel. Always watching me from there. So I'm quickly gonna make it.
पहले 1 cake Walmart and that's it, right? और फिर कार वॉश।
जिसने सर्वर
असली थी sour bread नहीं है ये, normal bread है।
सब कुछ deli वाले section से।
Italian या कुछ थी।
मुझे white bread, normal white bread से ज़्यादा ये अच्छी लगती है।
इस वाली अंडा भुर्जी के साथ पराठे नहीं खाया।
मैं देखो खाया था तो कुछ और खाया था, मैंने अंडा भुर्जी पराठा खाया था।
टिफिन में ले जाता था मम्मा देती थी। विटामिन सी ले गया भर के।
मैं बांटी नहीं रहा। अच्छा हंस दिए।
क्यूट बन के चल रही है।
अच्छा लग रहा है।
अच्छे लग रहे हैं। पहले ही तो बनाया तुमने। एकदम रॉ। साइड के बाल तुमने ऐसे ही छोड़े कि
वैसे ही है, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, मान लो स्प्रे
छोटे? अच्छा, समझ गया।
छोटे-छोटे बाल होते हैं।
Sweetheart, you look amazing.
Alright guys, we are out and I love my hairstyle today. He said I'm looking cute. So yeah, we are going to Bond Park. It's a very beautiful park where you can do boating, fishing, paddle boating basically, or even kayak.
You can do kayak.
Yeah. So we are going there. Nitish, Ashley are already there. I think Mari and Tony are also there. Elliot and Everly. Everybody is like, whole family is there. So it's a beautiful Sunday. It's nice and sunny and windy and cold. Two more things that I always add now. So yeah, we are going there. We'll meet them for some time and then
we
have some errands to run. So we're gonna do that.
Guys, we are here and let us call them and ask them where they are. Let me show you. That's the lake actually, and there's a ramp up there where you can launch the boat, but you can see people find those isolated spots. They said because of COVID everybody is scattered and stuff, and it's a beautiful day to be here actually. We are trying to call them and see where they are.
Okay, got it.
Where are they?
Are you guys? Yellow, yeah, yellow. Okay, I'm coming. Okay.
They're sitting over there.
Alright.
Over there. Oh my god, they're sitting over there.
Yep.
And we have to like walk and go over there, and then we plan to fish.
But we didn't get
Spend, yeah. We'll just spend some time with them, show you guys a little bit around, and then we have some errands to run. As Tanya told you, we are prepping for our 5-year anniversary party, which is on the upcoming Saturday, the 12th. So we are super excited. I know it's COVID, so it's just gonna be some family like Yeshu, Ashley, and people we see every day basically.
I was telling them, babe, that you were like, it was so hard for you to spend 5 years with me.
I would say it might be the opposite. We are still here. I don't know how she survived me.
I don't know how he survived me.
Who is that?
Are you fishing? Did you catch any fish?
Not yet? Oh my god, you're gonna be on YouTube again.
Yes, you're gonna be famous. Ryan is gonna watch you. Ryan is gonna be, oh my god, it's Elliot.
Who is that?
Look at her. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Oh.
She's camera conscious. Look at her.
Well, you have to warm up to Everly. She doesn't trust you really well, so we are gonna be there soon.
Yep, very soon.
Look at her. Hi, chunky baby. Hi.
I I love your shoes, Alien. They're so cute.
Oh!
So we booked our cake. We are so excited about that, but we are not gonna share you which cake, how it looks. You will see it on our anniversary. And now we're going to Walmart to pick up some stuff. Then we need to go for our car wash, and then we're gonna go home. Yep.
Yes.
And tonight we are doing Indo-Chinese. So Ashley and Nitesh are coming over, and Ashley wanted to eat orange chicken. So there's the gari aa rahi hai. So that is what we are going to do. All right, we are back home, and before we park the garage, Mayank is sweeping the whole garage, and this is his sweeping look, cleaning look. Oh my god. So yeah, this is a very big 2-car garage. We had so many boxes from the moving. We threw out all the boxes. We have to arrange some of that stuff. It's still gonna take a little bit time. But yeah, he's just cleaning up the garage. And that is our backyard, which is enclosed from here. So yeah, we got all the stuff that we want. And then I guess we are not going for car wash today. We're just gonna wait 1 more week and then go for our car wash. I'm just gonna go inside. And yeah, Marvel is crying, babe. Like, yes.
There's a lot of glass in here, so I'll probably pick it up in here and throw it in the dustbin.
Yeah, you can throw. Yeah.
क्योंकि फिर बैग में नहीं लगे ना, किसी के बाहर अलग चला गया.
ये ट्रे है ना, ये ना उठाने को उसे उठा लेना.
उसको उठाते तो मैं अपनी दस्तबन. I'm back home, which I already told you, and I broomed the garage and the porch, and now we have this trial pack for the noodles. So we thought, how about we have a noodle day today? So we are gonna have noodles now, and we are gonna have Indo-Chinese in the evening. So what kind of noodles these are? These are udon noodles, and I love udon noodles.
Bibimbap udon noodles, hot and sweet.
So these are bibimbap udon noodles. We are gonna try it, and we'll let you know how they are. They are deliciously hot. You can see how red that sauce color is. And they are ready in 3 minutes. Hot and sweet sauce, tender noodles. So Tanya is making the noodles, and I'm gonna play something on the TV, and then we're gonna eat the noodles. Are you making coffee for yourself?
Yeah. Do you want some?
I can have a cold coffee. I don't want to have spicy noodles and hot coffee.
Oh yeah. I think I'm not having coffee right now.
Okay, so we're not having a coffee right now. We are having noodles and water.
Noodles and water.
And then we'll watch something, and then
Get up once the chicken is defrosted.
yes.
Okay.
So the chicken is defrosting over here, and then we are gonna make chicken 2 ways. Spicy and spicy chicken and the orange chicken. Basically, yeah, honey glazed orange chicken, and then chili chicken. So 2 types of chicken, fried rice just with salt and pepper. Tanya's fried rice, they are amazing. And then making potatoes that are very famous in the entire world the way I make it, and I'm making them for the first time. So we are gonna have a delicious meal tonight, so stay tuned for that. Don't you go yet. This out! Noodles are ready! Ooh, and Tanya is topping hers with kimchi. Sucks! That's what you're hearing is Chandler and from the friends. Ignore that. We are gonna go enjoy our noodles, and then see you guys with the dinner. Alright people, before we get carried away and eat all the food, let me show you. These guys are actually here. Oh, where they are?
Hi.
Oh, over there. And yes, I'm gonna show everything. Here are the potatoes that I made. They are ready. Then Tanya is almost done with the chicken. Ooh la la. And then the fried rice is ready.
Come on, baby.
This is honey glazed
Come on, give it to
chicken for Ashley. Some Pinot Noir has been served. And where's gulab jamun?
Here in the fridge.
And Ashley made gulab jamun, and I'm gonna put the link of the video where she taught you how to make ek tar ki chashi and everything. So please go check out that link in the description box. Click it, check it, how she made gulab jamun. And we are gonna be enjoying this food and talk to you guys later and give you our reviews how everything turned out.
Do check it.
Or else this guy is gonna be very angry at you.
You're gonna be in trouble, boys.
So check it out and also hit that subscribe button, you know, if you don't want bigger troubles.
So they are leaving. We had a very good evening. Some delicious food and delicious gulab jamun. They were the best. What magic?
Behind this?
Behind.
I don't have my keys.
And he's just gonna.
And then it opens my trunk.
Ooh,
Without
nice.
pressing anything. Whoa, there you go. You can sleep on this.
For those of you who do not know, they got a new car. That is what they are showing us off.
Flaunting their new car.
Flaunting the new car. And this is how the house looks right now. Look at the lights.
Yeah, just keep popping up one gulab jamun on your way back. Imagine every time they travel and we give them something to eat on their way. Like, here's an aloo paratha for you to be on the way. Oh my god, alright.
It's very
You
hot
guys drive
outside.
safe?
Yeah.
It was hot outside? Okay, let me take your cap away. Should I just take it?
Alright. See you later.
This is
Alright.
coming from a person wearing 3 pants.
Yeah, he's wearing a inner inside his jeans.
That is a lie.
No, I saw it.
I swear I'm just wearing jeans. That's it.
Nah.
No innerwears.
Anyways,
Alright.
see you guys soon.
Alright, bye. Bye bye.